Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple and updated step-by-step guide on how to add tags to your Instagram post. Whether you're new to Instagram or just want a quick refresher, this will help you tag people easily the next time you create a post. First, open the Instagram app and head to your home screen. At the bottom, you'll see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap that to start creating a new post. From here, you can choose a photo or video from your gallery, or even capture something new on the spot. Once you've selected the content you want to share, tap Next in the top right corner. Now you'll be taken to the Add Details screen, where you can add captions, edit settings, and more. To add tags, choose the option that says Tag People. After tapping this, your photo will open up, ready for you to select where each tag should appear. Simply tap anywhere on the picture to bring up a search bar. In the search bar, type the username of the person you'd like to tag. Instagram will pull up a list of accounts that match your search, and you just need to tap the correct one from the list. Their name will then appear on your photo, exactly where you place the tag. You can repeat these steps if you want to tag multiple people in one post, and you can even move the tags around by dragging them to the right spot. When you're done tagging everyone, tap Done in the upper corner of the screen. This saves your tags to the post. From here, you can add your caption, location, or any other details before tapping Share. And that's it. You've successfully tagged people in your Instagram post. It's a quick process that makes your posts more engaging and helps connect your content with the people you're featuring. The next time you share a moment, don't forget to add those tags so your friends can be part of it too.